Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Komplet America, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to operate your 503. First thing we're going to do is turn on your battery disconnect, which is behind this door. We'll go to the opposite side, put our key in the ignition, start our unit. Once we start our unit, we want to sync our remote. First thing we have to make sure is all our switches are in the down or neutral position. So you have this knob here, you want to turn that to the 1. You want to pull out your e-stop. You hit your start button, which is on the side. You hit that once, your remote will start flashing fast. You hit that one more time, it'll flash slow. Now that our unit is synced, if we need to track our unit, we need to increase our RPM all the way up. Then you can run your unit forward or back. You have a high speed, which is this button here. This unit, to open and close the jaws, you have an indicator. Up would be open your jaw, bottom will close your jaw. This button here turns on your front conveyor. This button here turns on your feed conveyor. Turn that on, your feed conveyor is on. Now with your feed conveyor, you could increase the speed or decrease the speed. You have a knob here. This is your lock knob. Turn it all the way to the left. If you want to increase your conveyor speed, turn it to the left. If you want to decrease the speed, you turn it to the right. And then when you're done, the back knob, you turn all the way to the right and you lock it. Now we want to put our unit crushing. You hit this button right here all the way up and your unit starts crushing. Now if we want to shut off our unit, hold that down. Our feed hopper, shut that off. We'll shut that off. Very simple how to start and shut off your unit. Now we'll go over some key functions on this unit. So when you're done operating for the day, shut all your functions off, move your unit to where you have to, lower your RPM all the way down, shut off your key. Rule of thumb, once you shut off your key ID, you want to put it to 0, and your e-stop all the way in. While we're here, we'll open up this door here. On this unit has a Kohler engine. Here's your air filter. Here are your 2 fuse boxes, and this unit has a hydraulic joint. This hydraulic joint has a set screw in it that's temperature controlled. That's lead filled. If something happens to the unit, the temperature of the oil gets hotter and it melts and it stops your unit. That's a fail safe. Also, this unit has a provision for a tether plug. Something happens to your remote, you can unplug this, plug in the tether remote, and you can still operate your unit. If you need to track your unit, you remove this cover here, and there's 2 levers. You can see one lever right here, right where my finger's pointing. It's hard to see, but it's easier accessed if you open up the panel on this side. You have your diesel tank, your level, your diesel fill. You have 2 grease fittings here, 2 grease fittings there. Those grease fittings are for the bearings for your crusher unit. Those are very important. Review your user manual and see what your grease points, how much grease you need to put, how many times per day. You have a light and a siren. Light will be flashing, siren when you're moving your unit, so people are aware that there's a piece of equipment that's next to them. It's like a safety. This unit comes with a magnetic conveyor. So this roller here is magnetic. So if you have any concrete with rebar, your material comes out, hits the magnet, and it comes out of the chute over here on the bottom. As you can see, this unit has a little compartment here. We call it the little toolbox. You can put tools, you can put extra parts that you want in this compartment, whichever what you prefer. You have two sprayers up top. You have two sprayers on the bottom. There is a valve here, so you could shut off the top sprayers and dedicate your water suppression system just to your extraction belt, which you hook up via a garden hose with a water supply. You have your hydraulic tank here, your fill level. To fill up the oil, you must remove this panel. There's an oil fill in here. We open up this door. You can see it. It's labeled in the orange cap, orange. You have a hydraulic filter there and your radiator here. Also, you have your oil level here for your engine oil. And if you see here, we have a QR code. If you don't have access to your user manual or your parts manual, or you left them inside your truck, you can literally grab your phone, scan the QR code, and you'll have your user manual, your parts manual. Also, there's videos on there as well if you forget how to sync your remote or someone else is working on it. There's a lot of information on there. I always recommend scan the QR code. It's beneficial to you. But that concludes how to set up your 503. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 908-369-3340. Thank you.